lot of the customer challenges today are, I need to move faster, I don't have the resources to support this new environment that everyone's asking for. I need to tear something, build something up and tear it down fairly quickly. A lot of this is, especially a lot of the capital expenditure that a lot of organizations are spending today to get these environments up, and they may not actually stick around for the long term. So a lot of the pain points are, how do we support that infrastructure, right? And from the infrastructure perspective, we talked about networking, storage, servers, resources sometimes to support a lot of that as well. So we look at the taxonomy of a public and private cloud. One back, please. So we look at kind of the on-premise. So I talked about a couple of these already. So typically when you own the infrastructure, you're going to own the expenditures related to things like networking, storage, servers, and then virtualization. So whether it be any of the various platforms, up through the operating system, middleware, runtime, data, and applications. Now, what Microsoft has and other vendors as well is infrastructure as a service. So what infrastructure as a service is a hosted computing model. So basically, organizations like Microsoft take on these bottom pieces, so you don't have to worry about the cost, and they're just going to charge you a cost based on an operational model, right? X amount of dollars per minute, X amount of dollars per hour, and you really have to worry about this next top layer. So we worry about the operating system. You still have access, just like you would say a physical machine in your infrastructure today or a virtual machine in your infrastructure today, down to the runtime, data, and application level. That's still technically your responsibility. We go to the next layer as well. We have platform as a service. So SQL, for instance, is a platform as a service on the Microsoft Azure platform, as is things like websites and other offerings as well. Storage can even be a platform as a service as well. So in that layer, we actually don't even have the ability to talk into the operating system, the middleware, the runtime, and you actually only manage the data and the applications that get built into that infrastructure.